So you're wondering how to frame a canvas panel. Well, I'm going to show you a really easy way to do this. First off, you can use any frame that you get from the store just off the rack. I like to shop at Michael's, so that's where I got my frame. And this method of framing works on any type of canvas panel, even if it's a little bit warped. You can see the panel I have here. Sometimes they're more warped than this, and this method of framing will work with however warped your canvas is. I picked out an 11 by 14 frame because it matches the size of my panel. I chose a white frame because I thought it would look really nice, and it does. It sets off the colors just perfectly in my piece. First step is to remove the glass, and you're going to basically just throw away the glass. Make sure to be careful when you do this. I like to use some sort of cotton gloves or other types of gloves when I am taking out the glass because it can be sharp. So now you've got your frame, there's no glass in it, and it's ready to add your canvas. You lay the frame face down, put the canvas in it face down so that way it will be showing through the front. When you're adding the back, just make sure that you know which way is up with regard to hanging on your artwork, so that way you can make sure all of the hangers are in the right locations. A lot of times it makes it really tight in there when you are adding the canvas panel. And so just press down hard, especially if it's warped. You're going to have to give it a little push. I promise it won't hurt the canvas panel, and it should not hurt the paint. Most paint is flexible a little bit. So even if it's quite warped, everything should be fine when you do this. I've framed lots of canvas panels this way and never had anything crack. And some of them have been really, really warped. So just give it a little push as you secure in the back part of the frame. Well, all done. Let's see what it looks like. I think it looks awesome. It's completely flat because the frame flattened it right out, so it fixed the warping. If you'd like to know how to frame a gallery wrapped canvas, I've made a video that shows you exactly how to do that. It's also a very easy tutorial similar to this one. If you'd like to watch it, you can see it here. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.